In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a comprehensive accounting software that many businesses use to manage their finances seamlessly. One of its key features is the chart of accounts, which helps you categorize your transactions and keep track of your financial data more efficiently. Our goal today is to navigate you through accessing and utilizing this useful tool within Zoho Books, step by step. To get started, let's head over to Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, giving you an overview of your financial activities and status. Now, from this dashboard, we want to find the section labeled Accountant. This is usually located on the left-hand side of your screen within the main navigation panel. You'll want to click on Accountant to proceed. After you've clicked on Accountant, you'll see various options related to your accounts management. One important option here is the Chart of Accounts. Click on Chart of Accounts, and you'll be directed to an overview page displaying all the accounts you've set up in Zoho Books. This chart functions as an organized listing of every account that a company maintains in the books for better categorization of financial transactions. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look for the option to view active accounts. Active accounts pertain to those currently in use or those you plan on using. By clicking here, you can narrow down your view to the accounts relevant to your ongoing operations, making it easier to focus on the accounts that matter most in the present context. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. You'll see a series of account type headings like assets, liabilities, and so on. To get more specific information, you can click on a particular category, for example, hoist other current asset. Clicking here will present a list showing all accounts classified under this category, giving you a thorough view of the various accounts and their current balances. If you're interested in the finer details of any specific account, there's an option aptly named Show More Details. This option is a doorway into detailed insights, allowing you to see things such as recent transactions, trends over time, and any notes or memos associated with the account. It's a great way to gather specific information that can inform financial decisions or adjustments. Finally, when you select Show More Details, the system will display comprehensive data regarding the chosen account. This includes transaction history, specific entries, and the overall status of the account. Understanding these details can significantly aid in managing your financial landscape with clarity and precision. By the end of this process, you should have a clearer understanding of how to access and effectively use the chart of accounts within Zoho Books. Remember, mastering this feature can offer a clearer perspective on your financials, helping you track performance, make more informed decisions, and keep your business moving in the right direction. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore these options further for an enriched accounting experience with Zoho Books.